Hi, in this video, we will show you how to connect the emulator to Mercedes Vito and Viano from W639 generation. First, you need to find the connectors under the passenger seat and disconnect them. You need to disconnect both connectors visible on the video. You can use a screwdriver if you have a problem with disconnecting both connectors. Now connect the emulator to both connectors. Connect your OBD diagnostic scanner to the OBD port under the steering wheel. Now scan all modules. Go to the SRS module and clear the old fault code of defective seat mat. Contact us if you encounter any problem. We will help you solve it.